Hey charms, it's your girl Michaela and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be bedazzling some cheap Crocs that I bought from Walmart. They only cost me $9.88 and I'm just going to show y'all real quick everything that I used and I will drop it down below in the description box. I got jewels, beads, croc backs so I can make my own croc charms. I got some diamond wrap that I got from the Dollar Tree. More beads, more jewels, and then of course my E600 glue and then regular super glue. So if you're interested, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, y'all, so these Crocs right here I did not make. I ordered these off of AliExpress. I will link them below. Right now I'm going to make my own Crocs, so I'm going to take some super glue and then the button backs that I bought from AliExpress. Those are it up close, and I'm going to glue some jewels onto the buttons and make my own charms. Real simple, real easy. Do as I do, not as I say, okay? Y'all know I'm bad at voiceovers. So anyways, I'm just going to take a dot of super glue. This is real important. Do not spread a whole bunch of glue across the button because your jewel will slip and it'll slide, and then they're going to be falling off of your Crocs and you're gonna be mad. So just one little dot is all you need. Hold it for 15 seconds and boom, you got you a charm. And I know y'all looking extra close at my hands. I might be ashy, I might not be ashy. Get out my business. Anyways, so we're gonna try to do this again. And right here I think I put too much glue on this specific charm, so it's gonna slip and slide a little bit, but I'm gonna show y'all how to fix that. As you see, it's not sticking, so we're basically gonna have to wipe off the glue from the jewel in the back, get our nail filer, and then file both the button and the jewel. See, I'm getting ahead of myself, but that's basically what we're gonna do, and we're gonna create a rough surface for the glue to stick to, and boom, we're gonna have a Croc charm. But anyways, so as y'all know, my birthday is January 3rd, so that's why I'm bedazzling these Crocs. I didn't get actual Crocs because y'all know Crocs are expensive. They're not expensive, but they're like $60. So I didn't want to put like super glue and E600 on some real Crocs because I just thought that'd be stupid and wasteful. So I just bought me some cheap Crocs. They feel like Crocs. I like them. So don't feel bad if you don't have the Croc brand, okay? At the end of the day, they still look fire. So I just wanted to say that little bit. But anyways, as you can see, it sticks after I shaved it down. So if you ever have that problem, that's how you solve it. And these are all the Croc charms that I made for my shoes. As you can see, they are glued down. They're not falling off. So they did good. Now right here, I'm just placing the Croc charms in my shoe because you need to do this before you start bedazzling. So I'm just placing them where I want them. Nothing special. You can't really see it because of the glare, and I'm sorry for that. But that's all I'm going to be doing for the next 30 seconds or so. I'm sorry that I'm smacking my lips. I know that's very annoying. But I think this is my first birthday video of the month. I could be wrong, or it's going to be my second one. I don't know which one I'm going to give y'all first because I got like 2 videos I want to give y'all about the stuff I'm doing for my birthday and then my actual birthday video. But I'm not pretty sure because I'm making something else for my birthday, which y'all see. I know I'm being super secretive, but I don't want to give it away because I want y'all to actually watch the video. So just stay tuned for that. I was kind of struggling putting these in because I was trying to be gentle so that I wouldn't, I guess, knock the jewels off that I glued. But honestly, once the super glue has dried, y'all, they're not moving. Like the jewels are not falling off at all. So don't be worried about that. And I got this super glue from the Dollar Tree, by the way. So this is what it looks like with the charms in. Super cute, but it's not enough. So I'm showing y'all that I'm finna bedazzle it with the beads and everything that I bought from AliExpress. So that's our next step, and that's the glue I'll be using for the shoes. So this is a shoe I already did. Isn't it fire? I did so good, y'all. Like, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. I think altogether this took me like 4 hours. The first shoe took me a long time because I was rapping and singing and doing everything other than bedazzling. But the second shoe probably took like an hour and a half. This is my wax stick I bought from AliExpress. Not AliExpress, oh my gosh, Shein. It only cost me $1. So that's what we'll be using to place our beads and stuff. Y'all, I feel like I am rambling. At this point, you should just mute me. But what you want to do is just assort. Is that how you say that? Assort all your different bedazzling items. And then just randomly pick up jewels and beads and place them on your shoe. You don't want them all to be the same. So make sure if you do this, get different sizes. Don't get just all one size, which I should. I think I'll go ahead and link the sizes that I bought below because that's important. And I got different colors too. So I got a silver, I got silver diamonds, and then I got the multicolored diamonds. I can't think of the name. I'll put that below. Then I got white pearls and silver pearls. And that was it. Yeah, that was it. And then for my charms, I got like a gray diamond, white diamonds, and then pink diamond hearts. And I tried to make sure my charms were like silver, but my Barbie Croc charm is gold, but they didn't make a silver one, so that's the only pop of gold I have on the shoe. But it's a really like simple process. It's just super tedious. And like I said, you just place the beads where you want to place them. But just make sure they're different sizes. And get some real super small beads too. Don't just get all big ones. And medium sized ones, I guess is what I should have said. And if you order this wax stick off of Shein, you will have to sharpen it. So when you get a stick in the mail, do not be mad at me because I was mad at them too, but you just have to sharpen it. Okay, y'all, so this is the ending result. I don't know if I'm going to keep that chain part at the top, but so far, I love them. I think they're so pretty. I can't wait to wear them for my birthday. Y'all are the first people to see them. Nobody has seen these yet. But, yeah, I'm super excited about them. I think I did good. I'm turning into a DIY queen. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next week. Peace.